And today, or this weekend, a few days, I'm going to start digging a pond and waterfall behind me. I was going to start this just before I got started, but I was too impatient to get started, so I missed the very beginning. But carry on watching and we'll see what this video turns out like. So guys, that's pond build day one. Doing it for today. I need to get some equipment tomorrow. So tomorrow I need to go to the aquatic store and pick up a pond liner, a pump and a few other bits and pieces, and then we can get cracking on getting the rest of it done. But I've just mocked it up just to give me an idea of how things are going to look. So come along and I'll show you guys what we've got. So you can see I've just mocked it out. Where the spade is going to be the deepest part of the pond, and that's going to be the drop where the waterfall comes into. And then up this end here, I'm planning on it being shallow and gravelly and coming on the water just blending into the land, if you will. So it's shallow for frogs and any animals or birds that get into the pond. They've got an easy way in and out. So that is day one, and keep watching and I'll put another video up showing pond build day two.